In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Claude quickly and easily, whether you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac. If the text in Claude feels a little too small, or you just want a more comfortable view while reading and working, this simple shortcut will help right away. This is a fast tutorial, so if it helps, make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Claude AI in your browser and make sure the page is fully loaded. Once you're on the Claude screen, you don't need to go into any menus or settings. The zoom controls are built right into your browser, which makes this method super convenient. If you're using Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and the plus key at the same time to zoom in. If you're on a Mac, use CMD and the plus key instead. As you press it, you'll notice the Claude page getting larger, making the text, buttons, and content easier to read. If you want to zoom in more, just repeat the shortcut until it looks right for you. This is especially useful if you're working on a smaller monitor, comparing long responses, or simply want a more comfortable reading experience. Now, if you ever zoom in too much, don't worry, you can zoom back out just as easily. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and the minus key. On Mac, press CMD and the minus key. That will reduce the page size and bring everything back down. If you want to reset the zoom completely, most browsers also let you return to the default zoom level. But for most people, these two shortcuts are all you need. The best part is that this works instantly and doesn't require any Claude-specific settings. Since Claude runs in your browser, the zoom shortcut changes the view of the page itself, which means it's a simple and reliable way to make the interface fit your needs. So to quickly recap, open Claude AI, use Ctrl++ on Windows or Linux or CMD++ on Mac to zoom in, and use Ctrl- or CMD- to zoom out. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick Claude tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.